give full play to everyone's talent. Explore for technology. Sublimate for perfection. Attach importance to R&D and innovation and set an industry benchmark. Use craftsman spirit. Build industry brand. Luchuang Machinery, a trusted manufacturer of wet tower equipment in the field of household paper industry. Chinese Yellow River, the Yellow Emperor's native place in spot. Zhengzhou, an aggressive and rapidly rising national central city. Luchuang Machinery, an equipment manufacturing enterprise dedicated to providing high-speed, reliable, and stable daily chemical industry. Zhengzhou Luchuang Mechanical Equipment Company Limited was established in March 2016. Years of industry precipitation and a unique perspective, with rich experience in equipment manufacturing industry. Under the fierce market competition, we continue to work hard and forge ahead. Luchuang Machinery is located in Xinzheng City, the core city of Henan Airport. With a factory area of more than 10,000 square meters, it is an integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales and technical services, intelligent household paper equipment manufacturing enterprise. Luchuang Wet Tower Production Line series products include Household Wet Tower Production Line BL20, Portable Wet Tower Production Line PL30, Full Servo Wet Tower Packaging Machine PM100, the third generation Wet Tower KP Machine GM100, Automatic Robot Packaging Machine PR30, and many other high-quality equipment. At present, there are more than 100 R&D and manufacturing teams, technical and sales personnel with more than 10 years of industry experience. Since its establishment, Luchuang Machinery Company Limited has won the National High-Tech Enterprise. Its products have passed CE International Certification, ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, Intellectual Property Management System Certification, and a number of invention patents, which has laid the cornerstone for the benign and long-term development of the company. Through the unremitting efforts of our Luchuang people in the domestic household paper equipment manufacturing industry, it has become a leader. We have made every effort to create higher value, faster work efficiency, and a better product quality for our customers to achieve their market competitiveness, so that Luchuang Machinery has established a good reputation in the industry and won the trust and support of our customers. At present, there are more than 200 customers in China. The equipment is sold well and exported to the United States, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand, South Korea, Malaysia, and other countries. We have long-term partnership with domestic famous enterprises. Luchuang Machinery adapts a comprehensive and integrated service and after-sales construction mode. The after-sales technical team responds to the customer's requirements at the first time and can arrive at the customer site 24 hours, reflecting the urgency of the customer. Rushing for time is the key to efficiency. Customers have no size and endless service. Respond quickly and take immediate action to solve customers' worries. The development of the company has been valued by the municipal government. Municipal government leaders have visited our company. Luchuang Machinery imperceptibly transmits the business philosophy and the social values of the enterprise to its employees, so as to build an elite team with high cohesion and a sense of social responsibility. Looking back on the past, Luchuang people worked hard to forge ahead. Grasp the moment. Luchuang people did not forget their original intention and make positive progress. Looking forward to the future, Luchuang people will work together with you for mutual benefit and win-win results.